Good. So next thing is the wipers and obviously washers. So washers got that. So let's have a quick look. I don't want over, let's have a look. I've got to come down far enough to clear these things. Yeah, I've got to get up high enough to better get some nuts on. So at the moment I'm very, very struggling with this to get the distance. These are great, but they're not good enough really for what I want, are they? So the fuse in there, which is what we use, I've always seen that's good then. But then I need to take it at least another, even if I could take it another, what do you think, inch? What my habit is, I haven't got a very good way of cutting things off, other than the grinder. And as you notice, I don't tend to cut things very straight. Now I did have a chopped off saw somewhere, but I've never ever used it. I don't know where it even is. So let's decide. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think if we've got? We've got to go to there. He's got to sit down to there. I reckon he's got to be at least 3/4 of an inch. Would you say so? Or would you not say so? Or would you not say anything? Right. So, while that cools down, we're going to do something else. We're going to have a look at the possibility we can do one of these. Hot. Okay. Could be fluke. Could be a success. I will tell you an interesting little story that you probably all come across in the past. I was at one of these shows and this bloke had this drill and it was drilling through disc brakes and cast iron and hardened steel, and I mean it was a drill that you only dreamed about when you had problems things. So I said to myself, you know what, for the sake of the 40 quid, you got a file with that, I'll get a go. And I hate to rain on the parade. I had a snapped inlet stud off in a DS5, Aston engine, Jensen engine. Well, so I don't know what you call it, DS5 Jensen. And I set this inlet stud off. So I got out my collection of drill bits and I centre punched it, and I started with my drills that I watched this man drill through disc brakes. And obviously I did say to him, you've dehardened all those. And he was, no, that's not true. Well, I'll let you into a little secret. I broke every single drill bit nearly, apart from the ones that were too big. Not one of them even remotely touched my head, stainless steel, that steel bolt in the head. So I had to have it sparkle roaded out, cost me 100 quid, and that was the end of that.